my next step would be to teach you guys how to do a search um, within a data set. So that if you're looking for something, you should be able to search for that. And it will automatically highlight those areas for you. What we will do is we need to add an extra tab. I don't know if you guys have the developer tab as one of the tabs added at the top or no? You guys have the developer tab? No. Okay. Okay. That's what I thought. You probably will not. Okay. So let's add the developer tab. Let's click the file menu. And in the file menu, let's click on options. Options. Okay. So you will see something like this. In this one, we need to click on customize ribbon because we want to customize the ribbon. And on the right-hand side, under the main tabs, you guys see a developer that you could check? One of the boxes that might be unchecked that you can check. So once you check it and click OK, you see the developer tab. And the developer tab will then be available to you after you do that.